sa ating kadormit. Ay!
Sino yun?
Ay, pre, hindi ko pwede sabihin. Ay, hiniram din yung ballpen. Tapos, hinati sa dalawa.
Eh bakit ganun ginawa niya?
Ewan ko ga Tapos, pagkabigay sa akin iyon na daw. Sabi ko sa kanya, ano naman gagawin ko din
Dormers, pumunta kayo sa confession room.
Uy, tawag tayo ni Kuya.
Lagot ka! Bakit tawag tayo? Anong ginawa natin?
Ay,
Grabe.
maano na naman tayo eh.
Grabe yun.
Ayun na
Sorry
naman,
ka.
papagalitan tayo dahil sa'yo.
Sorry ka. Tao
Nasa
lang.
naman tong...
Okay, yung nagpapakatotoo lang Grabe ka naman. Sorry na.
Ayan, mapoforce eviction na naman.
Sorry na kasi.
Dormates, kumalma kayo. Pinapunta ko kayo dito dahil nalalapit na ang inyong big night. Ang pagsubok na to ay para kay Daniel. Pinaatasan ko siya na hulaan ang i-impersonate ni na Jason at ni Victor na ex-dormates sa bahay ko.
Last na ito, kailangan mahulaan ni Daniel ang mga impersonation ni na Victor at Jason ng mga evicted dormmates sa dorm ni Kuya. Para maging matagumpay ang task na ito, kailangan makahula si Daniel ng 3 dormmates sa loob ng 1 minuto. Good luck, guys!
Edward! Ah! Oh my God!
Pwede ka mag-pass!
Sino yan? Kayla! Just pass! Kasi ako na kawalan. Pero,
Don't look down.
'Cause I'm on top of the world, hey. I'm on top of the world, hey. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, hey. Been holding in for a while, hey. Taking with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'm from Cram Experts. Today we're gonna talk about system softwares. What is a system software? It is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. There are 4 subtopics in this episode. First, the utilities. Second, programming language, operating system, and device drivers. The first one is utilities. It helps to manage, maintain, and control computer resources. Examples are antivirus software, debugger, file manager, register cleaners, and screensavers. Next is system programming language. It refers to a programming language used for system programming. It is designed for writing system software, which usually requires different development approaches when compared with application app software. The third one is operating system. It is a system software that manages computer hardware and system resources and provides common services for computer programs. Lastly is device drivers. It's a program that controls a particular type of device attached to your computer. These are device drivers for your printers, displays, CD-ROMs, readers, diskette drivers, and etc. Again, this is Daniel from Cram Experts. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.